That looks delicious. Here's a detailed fried fish recipe you can follow to get crispy, flavorful fish. Crispy spiced fried fish recipe. White medium star serves. 3 to 4 people. Ingredients. For the fish: 6 to 8 fish slices, any firm fish like rohu, pomfret, snapper, or kingfish. 1 to 2 lemons, for marination and garnish. Salt, to taste. For the marinade: 2 tablespoons red chili powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala, optional for extra flavor. 2 tablespoons cornflour or rice flour, for crispiness. 2 tablespoons gram flour, besan, optional. 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. Salt, to taste. Juice of 1 lemon. 2 to 3 tablespoons yogurt, optional, helps keep fish moist. For frying: cooking oil, enough for shallow frying. Garnish: fresh coriander leaves. Lemon slices. Kitchen knife preparation steps. Keycap 1. Clean the fish. Wash fish slices gently. Pat them dry with a kitchen towel. Sprinkle a little salt and lemon juice. Let rest for 10 minutes. This removes any smell and seasons the flesh. Keycap 2. Make the marinade. In a bowl, mix. Heavy check. Keycap 3. Coat the fish. Rub marinade generously on each slice. Make sure it reaches all sides. Marinate at least 30 to 60 minutes. Or refrigerate up to 6 hours for deeper flavor. Cooking: frying the fish. Keycap 4. Heat the oil. Use a nonstick pan or tawa. Add enough oil for shallow frying. Heat on medium flame. If oil is too hot, coating burns quickly. Keycap 5. Fry the fish. Gently place fish slices in the pan. Do not overcrowd. Cook 4 to 6 minutes each side. Until heavy checkmark golden brown. Heavy checkmark crispy. Heavy checkmark cooked through. Turn only once to prevent breaking. Keycap 6. Drain. Place fried fish on tissue paper. To absorb extra oil. Herbs serve hot. Garnish with heavy checkmark lemon wedges. Heavy checkmark fresh coriander. Best served with cooked rice steam.